Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install WordPress theme from ThemeForest. So at first we will download our theme from ThemeForest, then we will install it on our WordPress website, and after that we will activate our theme using the license key. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our WordPress theme that we have purchased from ThemeForest, and now we are going to download this theme from here and install it on our WordPress website. So let's see how we can do it. So to download our theme, we are going to click on download button and then click on installable WordPress file only. And as you can see that our theme is now downloaded to our computer. So this is our WordPress website where we are going to install this theme. So if I click on Appearance and then click on Themes, and here we will see only two themes, and right now we are going to install our ThemeForest theme. We are going to install our WordPress theme from the cPanel. So we will log into our cPanel. For this website I am using Hostinger hosting, but the process is same for all the other web hosting platforms. So right now I am in the Hostinger H panel. So here I will see the hosting tab, and under it I will see the hosting that I have purchased from Hostinger. Next to it I will see the manage button. So I am going to click on this manage button. And here I will see the option for the file manager, or I can click on files from the left menu and then click on file manager from here. Now if you want to access the files of a specific website, then you can select this first option, but if you want to access all the files of your web hosting, then you can click on this second option. So I want to access the files of this specific website, so I am going to click on this. Now we are going to click on public_HTML from here and then WP-content from here, and here we will see the themes folder. Just click on it. And here we will see our themes 2025 and 2023. And if I go back to my WordPress website dashboard, and here we will see the themes that we have installed. So I will go back to my file manager, and now we are going to upload our theme that we have downloaded from the ThemeForest. So to upload our theme, from the top we are going to click on this upload button and then select file from here, and then select the theme that you have downloaded to your computer. This is the theme that we have downloaded right now. So we are going to click on open, and as you can see that our theme is now uploading to our H panel. As you can see that our theme is now uploaded, and right now we are going to extract this. So we are going to select our theme, right click on it and then click on extract from here. So now we are going to create a new folder where we will extract our theme. So we are going to add a name for our folder, and after that we are going to click on extract. So as you can see that here new folder is created. So we are going to open it, and here we will see our theme. So we will go back to our new folder from here and then select our theme from here, right click on it and then click on move file. So now as you can see that our theme path is wp-content/themes/new theme, but right now we are going to move it to the themes, wp-content/themes. So we are going to double click on this folder icon from here, and as you can see that our theme path is now changed. It's wp-content/themes. So now we are going to click on move, and as you can see that our theme is now moved to the main folder. So now if we go back to our WordPress website dashboard and then refresh the themes page from here, and here we will see the themes that we have installed from the cPanel. Now to activate our theme, we are going to click on activate from here. And as you can see that our theme is now activated. And now we need to activate the license for our theme. So we are going to click on activate license from here. After that we will go back to our Envato account and then click on download again from here. And now we will select license certificate and purchase code. So we are going to select text format from here. And as you can see that it is now downloaded to our computer. So we are going to open it from here, and then we are going to copy this purchase code from here. After that we will go back to our WordPress website dashboard and paste our code here and then click on activate license. And in this way our theme license will be activated, and after that just click on dashboard and then click on begin installing plugins. Select all the plugins from here and then click on install and then click on apply, and in this way all the plugins that are required for the themes will be installed. So this is how you can install WordPress theme from ThemeForest. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.